Hi there, my name is Annelie Benusha. I'm from the Possibility Gap. Now today is a really special day. We're celebrating Leonardo da Vinci's birthday. He's been really a big inspiration in all our work all these years, and also it's the beginning of World Creativity and Innovation Week. For the next 7 days we have 7 pop-up events, 7 waves of creativity and innovation and delight and fun. Yes, and also celebrating 3 incredible wise people's lives. So today we celebrate Leonardo's, and we will continue tomorrow and the day after. And then we'll also celebrate Maya Angelou's life. She was just as creative. She brought so many amazing gifts to the world too. It was her birthday on the 4th of April. And then we complete our celebrations of this week with the life of Rollo May, who's also been inspirational, on the 21st. But then the wave continues. It's part of our Possibility Wave adventures every month. And we would like to invite you to join us. And what came up for me when I was pondering about these celebrations, especially somebody like Leonardo da Vinci, who left so many gifts for humanity. He created a legacy. And he did something completely different at the time. He dared to go where others couldn't even dream of, and they actually didn't care about it. So he was really a daredevil of note. And it really made me ponder about why we create, why are we innovative, who is it for? Is it for the greater good, or is it to enrich ourselves? And then I was reminded of the story of the silkworm and the spider. And the silkworm was doing her thing, and the spider was coming closer by, and she was trying to shame this silkworm by saying, "Look at how amazing my web is. I've come so far this morning. I work so quick. And look at you. Yours take forever. It's such a laborious job." And then the silkworm replied, "Well, you might be quicker and faster, more efficient in that sense, but mine will be enduring, because yours is self-serving, yes, is there to harm harmless creatures to just catch your food, so it's completely self-serving, and then, by the way, the wind comes and the dirt sweeps it away when it's seen, as well by humans and other creatures, and then you have to start all over again, but most of all it's self-serving. Well, mine is preserved with the greatest care, and it'll become a beautiful gown or a garment that even a piper or a princess could wear, but it's timeless." And just made me wonder, why are we creating? And the wonderful legacy that Leonardo left behind for us. It wasn't for himself. We never really create for ourselves. And of course, we can benefit from it. So during our creative waves this week, we're going to also explore a new way of looking at prosperity. And it's inspired by someone like Leonardo. So join us. The link is at the end of this video. How you can join us on Patreon every day. You can just drop in. And we've created it this year so that you can participate whenever you have time. So it's not a specific time. And you can then go through it in your own way. So enjoy this birthday of Leonardo da Vinci. Happy birthday, Leonardo. And thank you for all your inspiration all these years. And also enjoy World Creativity and Innovation Week. And we're giving you lots of tips and ways that you can bring in creativity in your world, even in this world of AI and ChatGPT. Because we still need to interpret and apply whatever we discover, right? And originality is going to be the skill in the future that we will mostly need in this world of AI, where it will take over mundane jobs. So join us and let's celebrate this week together. Goodbye.